So right now we're taking off the wood boards on top of the dock. We're getting all the screws broken loose. You can hear most of them are just breaking. They're not even coming out. So a little more leg work. We'll just be doing some prying instead of just being able to pull the boards off the top. So we're gonna keep this project going, and you guys can follow along. We'll get exciting, fun stuff cutting all that metal in a little bit. So we'll be there in just a second. Guys, we're exhausted. We got everything cleaned up. We're ready for the water to come back up. Ready to do some swimming and fishing and have some good times. So this was just a fun video, just a little bit of demo, just to have some fun. So guys, if you like it, I hope you subscribe to the channel. We hope you subscribe to the channel. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. Any comments below, and we'll catch you on the next project, guys.